The Pursteam Steam Station Max Iron heats up very quickly for a steam station, so it is ready to smooth clothes in roughly the time it takes to sort a load of laundry. Its ceramic sole plate glides easily across fabrics and spreads heat evenly, which helps prevent hot spots and shine marks on delicate garments. Continuous high steam output makes short work of stubborn wrinkles, whether you are pressing everyday cotton shirts or thicker items like jeans and table linens. The generously sized removable water tank allows long ironing sessions without frequent trips to the sink, which is especially helpful for large households or batch ironing days. Built-in safety features such as automatic shutoff, a safety lock, and an anti-drip design make the iron feel reassuringly safe and help keep fabrics free of water spots. Thoughtful touches like integrated cord storage and an overall compact footprint make this steam station easier to store than many bulkier ironing systems.